Very important behind us. Paul Gorosh on the drums and vocals. Yeah.
And all the way from Duncan, BC, Sean Kilduff on guitar.
All right, here's another one off the new album. This is called Stick Around, and Paul's going to sing this one.
Baby,